In this video, you will learn how to fix black screen problem on Instagram. So let's go. So first open Play Store in your phone. Now search Instagram. First update your Instagram application and then go back and open setting in your phone. Now tap on apps and notification. Now find Instagram application. Tap on storage button. Now clear cache and data. Go back and click on permission. Now enable the all permission. If you following this method, your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Like